Hi, I'm Zach. This is part 3 of regular expression in Eloquent JavaScript. Let's begin with greedy operators. The repetition operators such as plus, asterisk, question mark, and curly braces are greedy, meaning they match as much as they can and backtrack from there. What does that mean? Let's take a look at the examples here. We have a function called strip comments. Obviously, it gets rid of comments in a piece of code. So here is the regular expression. First, we escape two slashes. That's the single line comment. Okay, and we have a period here, which means any character that's not a new line, and there can be more than one. And we have a pipe character here, which means either it's left or it's right works. Okay, and on the right side, we escape one slash and a asterisk, and then this part means any character that's not in the empty set of characters, which basically means any characters. Okay, and there can be more than one. Okay, again, we escape the asterisk and the ending backslash. Okay, and it's a global. We set the global option here and replace it with nothing. Cool. And here is an example of the function. So it should get rid of this part, right? And it works. And in this example, this part will be gone, and it works too. But here, the function is supposed to get rid of this part and this part, but in the result we can see even the plus sign in the middle is gone. So that's the greedy part. So the repetition operator, the asterisk here, starts from here, and it won't stop here but continue with all the rest of the string, and then it backtrack from this one. Therefore you get this one and this one as the match. Therefore everything in between will be deleted. Okay, that's the greedy part. Okay, we can use a question mark to make them non-greedy. So it would be plus question mark, asterisk, question mark, and so on. So here is the new version of the strip comments function. We add a question mark here. So it will stop as long as it finds the next part. Okay, therefore when the function finds this one, it will stop, and that will be the first match, and then here begins the second match and ends here. Okay, a lot of bugs in regular expression programs can be traced to unintentionally use a greedy operator where a non-greedy one would work better. So when using a repetition operator, consider the non-greedy variant first. Okay. The next topic is dynamically creating regular expression object. Let's take a look at this example. We have a name variable with Harry as the variable. And then we have a text here, and we create a regular expression. So this is the boundary, but it's inside quotation mark as a string rather than a regular expression, a normal regular expression. Therefore, we have to get rid. We have to escape the slash, which needs another slash. So this part actually means the normal boundary in regular expression, and it's the same for the ending boundary. Okay, and the second argument is the option for the regular expression, and G means global, I means case insensitive. Okay, so let's use this regular expression in the replace method, and we use the first match and put 2 underline in front and after it. Okay, as a result we get this, we get this as the result. So pay attention to the double slashes for creating regular expression object dynamically. And what if the name is contains some special characters such as plus sign and square braces? We need to escape the name first. So we need to put, that means we need to put slash in front of special characters. Okay, and how do we find those special characters? We use this part. We match anything that's not alphanumeric character, which means that's not a alphabet letter character, or it's not a number, not a digit, and it's not a space. Okay, so the character here means not this one and not this one. Okay, and we set global setting here. That means we will find everything that's not a number, not a alphabet, not a white space. Okay, and then we replace it as the match itself with a slash in front of it, and we need to escape the slash. Therefore, we have 2 slashes here. Okay, and then we use the escaped version of the name in our regular expression here. Okay, this part is the same as the previous one, and as a result we get this. Okay, and in string we have index of function method to find the index of the current index. In regular expression we use search. So here is an example. We search for any anything that's not a space. So it's, pay attention, it's a capitalized S. If it's not a capitalized, it's a lowercase, means we are looking for a space, but when it's capitalized, it's the opposite. So we are looking for a non-space character. So we will find it at the third position, which is the index of 2, right? 0, 1, 2, right? If it couldn't find anything, you will get a -1 as the result. Okay, the last index property. There are two properties of a regular expression. The first one is the source, which is the string of the regular expression, and the second one is the last index, at which the next match will start, only available when the global is enabled and using exec for matching. Let's take a look at the example here. So we have a pattern here with looking for y, and it is set to global. And we set the last index of the pattern to 3, which means it will start from the fourth position to try to match. So here we match it with this one because it starts from the index of 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will begin from this one, and the match will be found in the next position, which is the fifth position with the index of 4. Okay, therefore, when you try to console log the index, you will get 4, and the last index will be 5 because it moved to the next one. Okay. Okay, another example. We are looking for digits, 1 digit, and it is set to global. We use exec, and this is the digits, and here is the return. But if we execute this again with a different string, it won't return anything because the last index is set to, let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the last index will be 13, and it will start from 13 here. Therefore, obviously there isn't enough characters in this string. Therefore, you get null as the result. Pay attention to this. The last index will be saved after each execution. Okay. Another method is match. Match will find all matches of the pattern in the string and return an array containing the matched strings. So here's an example. We have a string of banana, and we try to match an in it, and it is set to global. So we have the first an and the second an. Therefore, you get 2 an in an array. Okay, so be cautious with global regular expression. There are only 2 cases you need them. The first is cause to replace, and the second one is is when you want to explicitly use last index. Okay. So the next topic is looping over matches. So we have an input here, a string with 3 numbers in it, 32 and 88, and we are looking for digits. Okay, and we have a variable match here. So here it's pretty interesting. We use this part as the condition of the while loop, and since the return the value of the assignment statement is the return values, so the value of this part will be the condition of the while loop. Okay, so when we execute this for the first time, you will get this as the return value for this one, right? And we console log match index 1. So index 0 is the whole match, and index 1 is the first group in the results. So that will be this part, right? And then we print out the index, and the first result is 3, and at the index of 14, and the 3 will be used as the condition of the while loop. So when it couldn't find any matches, it will return a negative value, and then it will return a null value, like in the previous example. Therefore, the while loop will end. That's it for today, and we will finish the regular expression in the next video. Thanks for watching.